very successful. We had a very good relationship with the golf tournament and with the Intercontinental Hotel, and we managed to get co-sponsors from some of the wine companies we deal with, who wanted the international exposure that this event is getting right through Asia, America. So we have a Chilean wine company, we have a Argentinian wine company, we have a French champagne, Tatangier, and we have a New Zealand wine company with the Hills, who are all working with us and getting the exposure. So this is great. It's one of the top sporting events that Fiji holds each year, so we're very, very glad to be associated with it.